Supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much here. Hello from the outside.
Hello guys. Welcome to another tutorial by SI Studios. Today I am gonna show you how to design the navigation drawer with Android Studio. First of all, create a new Android project and give it a name. Select Navigation Drawer activity from this menu and click Next. Give the activity a name and click Finish.
I'm free to be the greatest, I'm alive.
It will take some time to complete creating the project.
The greatest here tonight. The greatest, the greatest, the greatest, alive. The greatest, the greatest, alive.
Club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox.
Then go to Layout folder from the side menu and open Navheader main file. The name of the file differs according to the name you have given to the activity.
I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on.
First we'll change the image on the top of the navigation drawer.
I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet.
Go to the location of the image that you want to place on the top of the navigation drawer, and then copy the image.
Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every lady's covering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body.
Paste the copied image to the drawable folder and give image a name.
I'm in love with your body. Every lady's covering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
Change the background as mentioned in the video.
Come on, be my baby. Come on, be my baby. Come on, be my baby.
Now you can see that the image has changed.
I'm free to be the greatest here tonight. The greatest.
You can edit these texts, or you can delete them if you don't want them.
The greatest, the greatest, alive.
Now let's change this icon. For that, right-click on Drawable folder and go to New, and then go to Image Asset. Then select icon type as Launcher Icons, Adaptive and Legacy. Keep name as IC_Launcher if you are willing to use this as your app icon. Then select the image that you want to apply. Then go to the background layer here. You can use an image or a color for the background. It's up to you.
Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, 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 don't give up, don't give up, don't give up.
I have chosen the same image for icon also, so I'm changing it.
I'm free to be the greatest here tonight. The greatest, the greatest, the greatest, alive.
Click Next and then click Finish.
Alive.
Club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I.
Now you can see that the icon has changed.
Table doing shots, tripping fast.
Now let's change the navigation drawer menu. For that, open activity_main_drawer.xml file. The file name can differ according to your activity name. Now, change titles according to your purpose.
I want your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and
Change IDs as you wish. We need IDs when we set an action to each title. Till then, no need of IDs.
push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room.
Now, let's change the menu icons. For that, right-click on Drawable and click New, and then click Image Asset. Then select Action Bar and tab Icons as the icon type. Then select the image as asset type and select the image you want to place.
I'm in love with your body. Maybe it's covered in something new.
And then give a name for the image. Now change the icon as mentioned in the video.
I'm free to be the greatest and I'm free to be.
You can see that the first icon has changed. All the icons can be changed same way. I changed all my icons.
Just take a leap of faith, we'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide.
Now let's change the theme colors. Go to Res folder, then go to Values folder and open colors.xml file. These color codes are in hexadecimal format.
We're bringing this back to life.
I'm picking up similar colors from the image that I used on the top of the drawer.
I feel it again, I feel it again.
You can change these codes and change the theme colors.
Back to life.
You can also click this colored box and change the color and its transparency. Now you can see that the theme color has changed.
Help me find the right words to say.
I'm adding two new colors, one for navigation drawer background and other one for drawer text.
Against the grain of throwing out what we made. The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.
Now go to activity_main.xml file.
I feel again.
below the video and change the text and icon color. Then add this and change draw background color. Now you can see that the icon, text and background colors have changed. If you changed ID names in Draw Activity XML file, remember to change them in its Java class file also.
Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay.
Then design content of the activity as you want.
I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel again. We're bringing this back to life.
Now the designing part of navigation draw is over. I'll show how to set actions to title in my next video. Give a thumbs up if you learned something, share this video with friends, and click the red button below and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.